What is up guys, my name is Salhan and you are watching Gadgets Sphere. So this is the Redmi Note 10 Pro and in today's video I have installed CorvOS OS Android 12 in this smartphone. So I'm gonna give you my first impressions about how does this ROM work. So remember, this is a first impression video, it's not a full review. So definitely there is gonna be a few things missing in this, like how does the battery life work and how fast or it charges, or how long does it last after a full charge. And also the gaming performance is gonna come in the full review, so make sure you subscribe my channel for that. But now in today's video, first we are gonna connect to the Wi-Fi and see a few important steps, that is how good the internet speed is and how good the speakers are working, because these things are also very important, which many people take like a grain of salt and ignore. So now we have connected to the Wi-Fi. So first of all, one thing which I love in this CorvOS OS is the smoothness. You guys can see everything is just very fluid. We also have the Google Camera Go here, as you guys can see in this ROM. So you can just basically open it like that, just tap on it and there you go, it will open very nicely. Now this Google Camera Go has a lot of features in itself. We have video recording, and in video recording I think you can just shoot the normal default video. I don't think we have a lot of quality. Let's go in settings and that's about it. We have face detection and that's it. So in case you want the best Google camera for the Redmi Note 10 Pro, I have already made a video on that, so make sure to subscribe my channel, or this is the video, make sure to check it out. So now let's just talk about how well the ROM is, or what are the customization features. In the settings you will see we have a very nice about phone. Now this animation looks very beautiful to me, and then you need to scroll down and we have a lot of things. You can go in apps. In apps we have 20 apps pre-installed into the ROM. I haven't installed anything, so yeah, that is one thing you need to know. In storage we get about 112 GB free, which is more than enough for day-to-day use. Then in battery life we have very nice animation as well again, and the battery life I'm not gonna tell you right now because I haven't used it a lot. This is the impressions video. So let's just go in display and see the options we have. In display you guys can see we have extra dim option present as well. It will just dim your display extra more than the screen can go like dim. So this is a very good option for low light, using your smartphone in low light. Then we have dark theme is as usual, not a big thing. Force dark mode will enable like Flipkart also to go into dark mode. That is gonna be a little bit cool, that's what I think. Then we have display size, that's normal in every phone. And we have colors. In colors, if you go to boosted or you go to saturated actually looks the best. Like it looks very vibrant, looks very neat and clean. So that's what I think, saturated looks the best, but it obviously depends upon your color choice. I think saturated is very good looking to the Redmi Note 10 Pro. Now let's just go and see how well the speakers work. So here also I noticed one thing very unique, and that is if I go in brightness, let's increase. If I go and open an app, you guys can see we get an animation which is very fast and smooth and snappy. So the animations are very smooth and snappy. That is a very nice thing. You guys can see from this camera as well, if you see, the animations are very smooth and snappy. Opening apps and closing are very nice. And now let's just go and see how well the speakers work. We are gonna go in Chrome, we are gonna skip everything. We are gonna go in YouTube, and you can see the Wi-Fi speed is coming up really good. So now we are just gonna search my favorite YouTuber. So let's just search him, Gadgets Sphere. There you go. And now we have his channel. Now there is one more clone channel. Look at that. People are copying me. That's unique, Go in Gadgets Sphere, go in YouTube, and now let's just open one of our videos. Now this is the Pixel Experience Plus full review. You can watch this as well. And this is the video where I told you how to download and install the best Google camera for the Redmi Note 10 Pro. This is also an awesome video. So now let's just go and open this clip. Increase the brightness.
Pixel Experience Plus on my Redmi Note 10 Pro, and also made a video about the best features and should you also install this ROM or not. So if you haven't watched that video, the link is in the description. Make sure you go and watch. And that's pretty much it. I just love the way the smartphone looks, feels and works. I just installed Pixel Experience Plus.
So as you guys have seen, the audio quality is quite good, not bad at all. And this is also very interesting. We have a 100% indicator, like at what percentage your volume is, that is the indicator, and it decreases by 7 or 8 at times. So if you are at 60, it goes to 53, that is 7, but at times it decreases by 8 as well. Like if you go from here to here, it goes to 87 like directly. So that is one thing. Yeah, it decreases by 7, that's what I think. So yeah, now let's just go into the personalization of this ROM, because that is a very nice thing. So if you go and swipe down, you will see we have wallpaper and style. In wallpaper and style, that's where we get all the Android 12 options. We have this amazing looking theme. We can change the color of the theme as well. So let's just see how many wallpapers Corvus has given us. So we have on the device wallpapers. Okay, we only have one wallpaper in this room. That is quite unique. Go back, go in Raven wallpapers. Now what are Raven wallpapers? These are actually Corvus OS original wallpapers app. They will help you to provide a lot of nice looking wallpapers. Like this one looks beautiful. What do you think? So yeah, you can just easily apply this wallpaper. It looks like an eagle. Wallpaper applied, and there you go. So that's how you can apply a nice Corvus wallpapers very easily. And obviously the full review is gonna come very soon. So that's about it. And in customizations, if you go in here, you have this theme icon, and this basically themes all your icons like it did in the Pixel room. Now these themes icon looks really nice and clean. And yeah, that's about it for today's first impression. I'm definitely gonna make a review about how well this room performs in the later part. That's it. Hope you like it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.